Hi, my name is Shazia. I am the creator of Shazia Street Food. I started this concept in 2016. For me, it was always a passion to have good homemade food. For me, the reason I set up this business is because I never had takeaway food. It was always about making anything, but as long as it was from scratch and homemade, that is how I ate, that's how my parents ate, and it was very important to us as a family. Food was very big in our family. So in 2016, I worked for a law firm and I asked if I could reduce my hours, and I did the dine for two concept from home on Fridays, and I would have a nice clientele who had two starters, two mains, dessert, chapatis, rice, all for £25, and they would come and collect it from home. And I just made the decision to, tap into that market, because I felt there was a lot of people like me who wanted homemade food but just didn't know how to make it. Certainly women in my generation, they depended on the mums to continue that recipe, and even that next generation, it was hard for them. They're labour intense recipes, and I just didn't want those recipes to be diluted as we're going down in generations. So for me, it was about creating something with women who were housewives, didn't necessarily have work experience, but for me to be able to give them opportunities to work with women and a family environment where customer service, flavours, ingredients, quality is so important. The recipes that we wanted to create here at Shazia Street Food, and what is popular amongst the Pakistani customers, is the real homemade handia, nihari, pai, halim. A pakora curry, for example, we used to make it as a special dish once a week, and now pakora curry is in our menu every single day. So things like chicken curry, dals, pakora curry, we make them every day, because every day customers, not just the Pakistani who absolutely love those dishes because the flavour is from back home, but even the English customers, the chicken curry and the dal are the most popular with the English customers, and then of course with the Asians. Anything that we make now, alhamdulillah, they trust us, because they know if we are making keema matar, keema aloo, nihari, paya, boneless chicken on the bone, mutton biryani, they will go for it, because as soon as I put it on social media, they come for it, because they know it's going to be made just like what they would have at home. I decided to set up in Bury. Bury is a small town in Greater Manchester, and it has a population, I would say 10%, maybe 20% of Bury. I don't think more than 10% is Asian people, Pakistani people. And to be honest, this area has no nice takeaways, and the people that set up takeaways in Bury are usually Bury people, and it's the standard kind of food, takeaway food. I'm lucky because of social media. Bury is not my customer base, unfortunately. The people that come to Shazia Street Food are people from neighbouring towns: Oldham, Rochdale, Bolton, Burnley, Whitefield, and we have people all the way from Scotland. So we're so grateful for that. The amount of times that we've had coachfuls of people coming from Scotland, come from Aberdeen, come from Glasgow. In fact, it was really interesting because we had a whole coach full of people who came on a Saturday from Scotland, and they said that they had a top 10 list of things to do in Manchester, and Shazia Street Food was there. So they came for Nashta, and they came back again the next day on the Sunday, all 25 of them, because they enjoyed the breakfast so much, and they said they did not expect Shazia Street Food Khana to be that nice. So we're lucky to have people from all over. What is really popular here at street food is a chapati wrap. So Ira makes me the chapatis. We make our chapati wraps by putting the lettuce, cucumber,
Some red onions.
yeah, red onions, and some tomatoes. Okay.
Yeah, lovely. Healthy so far.
It is. It's a really nice dish, and we have our 3 chutneys, our famous chutneys. We don't go beyond these chutneys. Yogurt, which is a mild, imbli, which is sweet tamarind, and our chili one. So the combination of those 3, the mild to the sweet to the chili, is really nice, and that goes in all the chapati wraps. So then when we put the kebabs in, just a little bit of sauce, and that's why we put the salad at the bottom, because if we don't put it at the bottom, it will leak. Okay. And then you just wrap it really tight, and that is our chapati wrap.
The most amazing cutlet I've ever had. It's like a Scotch egg. So whenever in Bury, do come to Shazia street food and enjoy a cutlet, and with a wide variety of food and different dishes to choose from. नबीला यहाँ पे समोसे बना रही है बड़े मज़े के, तो नबीला से बात करते हैं। नबीला, ये कौन से समोसे आप बना रही हैं?
ये बना रहे हैं हम जी चिकन के समोसे।
चिकन का, तो ये चिकन का मिन्स है?
जी, चिकन का मिन्स है। इट्स अ वेरी टेस्टी समोसे।
बहुत पॉपुलर हैं आपके ये वाले समोसे?
जी, बहुत पॉपुलर हैं, बिकॉज गर्ल्स खुद बनाती हैं अपने हैंड से।
जी, हम देख रहे हैं ना, आप खुद बना रहे हैं, होममेड।
या होममेड, गर्ल्स की सारी मेहनत है, सो इट्स टेस्टी।
और ये आप बना के फ्रीज कर देंगे या इनको फ्राई कर देंगे?
फ्रीज करेंगे, बिकॉज कस्टमर के हिसाब से, जैसे कस्टमर हमसे मतलब लेते हैं उस हिसाब से हम फिर बनाते हैं। अगर एक ही दफ़ा हम फ्राई कर दें तो मे बी ना इतने ईजी ना निकले, तो इसलिए।
अच्छा, क्या इसकी सीक्रेट है रेसिपी या शेयर हो सकती है?
शेयर तो नहीं हम कर सकते ऑब्वियसली,
वरना हर कोई इतने मजेदार समोसे बनाने लगेगा।
फिर हर किसी का अपना स्टाइल होता है, सो
you can't I understand. I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
कितना टाइम हो गया आपको, आप एज अ शेफ काम कर रहे हैं?
Almost 3.5 years.
Okay. You enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. That's why I came from Bolton.
Okay.
Half an hour drive. So I'm very comfortable here. That's why I'm
तो आप क्यों हैं कंफर्टेबल यहाँ पे? कोई वजह उसकी स्पेशल?
वजह ये है कि यहाँ पे सारी लड़कियाँ हैं और जो हमारी ओनर है शाजिया, वो भी बहुत अच्छी है, लुक आफ्टर करती है हमारी। हम लड़कियाँ भी सारी मतलब लाइक जैसे आप घर में कंफर्टेबल होते हैं वैसे ही हैं। सो इट्स इजी एंड नाइस। यहाँ पे मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस है कड़ी, पकौड़ा कड़ी फेमस है, बिरयानी फेमस है, और मेरी दाल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अब अफगानी पुलाव बनाती हूँ, वो भी बहुत इन दिनों में बहुत जा रहा है, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो भी बनाते हैं माशाल्लाह नाइस बनता है यहाँ पे।
मैं यहाँ पे रेगुलर आता हूँ, ये फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं। खाना का बहुत अच्छा है। आई लव द पराठे, बेसिकली पराठे अमेजिंग, इनके फिटनेस बड़े अच्छे हैं। लीजिए एक और पराठा आ गया, तो खाना का बहुत अच्छा है। आई कैन डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड द पराठे आर अमेजिंग। Hopefully ये लोग फिर से आएंगे यहाँ पे।
Next time
मैं तो आता तो यहाँ पे।
बहुत अच्छा फूड है, बहुत नाइस, बहुत अच्छा, सही घर वाले के लिए।
जैसे ढाका चिकन होता है ना, वही पराठे हैं मेरे को।
कोई फर्क
एक्चुअली मुझे अपनी अम्मी के पराठे याद आ गए थे। तो
My boss and my colleague and all team is very nice. यहाँ पे सारी लेडीज स्टाफ हैं, तो इसलिए ज़्यादा इंजॉय करते हैं और ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं, और जो कस्टमर आते हैं वो भी नाइस हैं वेरी।
So I want to introduce you to the heart of Shazia street food. This is Kulsum. She came into the business and she just said, look, I'll work for free, just test me out and just see how good I am. And not in an arrogant way, but just like I'm a hard worker. And straight away we had this kind of connection. So she started with me, and alhamdulillah, after a week of training, she was perfect for the team. So when I am not around, I rely on Gulsum because I know she absolutely runs this business so well. This is my backbone of Shazia Street Food.
Thank you.
Yeah!
A friend recommended this place to me. I was here a couple of months ago and the food was amazing. So I said to Shazia, I have to come back and talk to you about your business venture, how this idea was born. And the thing that I liked best about this place is that it's run and owned and managed by all female staff. So that's brilliant, and it's just like, you know, when women support each other and create opportunities and spaces, it's fantastic. It's good for female empowerment, it's good for gender equality. So 3 cheers for Shazia. Hip hip, hooray!
And the team, please subscribe to Pakistani, like, share and comment. Thank you.